it's Murphy, and today we go mountain biking.
While a majority of this day is going to be spent on two wheels, the adventure starts off with a hike to see a little baby glacier up in the mountains. You're never far away from the Patagonia winds kicking up to say hello. We get started with a little bit of a ride up to a lake to get some good views before we head south back to El Chalten. Much of this ride is on a treacherous gravel road, but that doesn't mean that there's not beauty to be had along the way. And waterfalls as well.
So we took a bus, and it was 30 kilometers outside of town. It is hotter than I was expecting, so kind of went through the water already. This is why it's important to carry a Lifestraw, because then when you have this glacial runoff, which by the way, she encouraged to drink, I would not encourage to drink it without having a Lifestraw. This can be a lifesaver, because then I can just dip down and get a drink.
Yeah, dry feet. Oh no, there's more.
There's a little side section along the route that offers some easy riding and mostly in the shade. As I glide back into town, I'm thankful for a different way to experience the area. The views were great, just don't kill yourself on the hike at the beginning.